Good morning. I hope everyone is doing fine. Happy New Year again, 2022. This is my first time to vlog the usual by talking. I hope you had a lovely 2021 and even better for this new year. Okay, I'm going downstairs now. Let's see. Nobody's downstairs here yet. Should be here any minute. First time I'm out. It's been raining just now. It stopped, but it's going to rain still because it's cloudy still. Okay, it's not even 9 a.m. All right. My God, my hair should be darker actually, but I can't control that. You can do that in the salon when you go there at the hairdresser, but you know, I had my beautician come over. The high heap of the leaves and stalks and branches have been taken away, so it's delivered. The sourdough all sliced already. Okay, let's go to my room, up to my bedroom again. See, all this wooden floor and stairs need to be revarnished. I have so much to do, but so many things that I love doing. I have this idea that I would like to offer to my B&B guests who like to try the authentic Italian food that is very, very common in Milan. It's nothing fancy, nothing elaborate, but the true daily kind of food that we eat in Milan. That is so real Italian. No Italian American food, but Italian meal per se. It can be included with wine. That's optional. So the booking is extended to that now. Not merely breakfast for a guest, but also either or. That is either lunch or dinner. Just one meal though in a day that I can prepare myself. My housekeeper already knows a little bit of the pasta kind of preparation, but it's very simple. That's why now I suddenly think, why don't I prepare that as well for the guests when they would love to experience the true Italian style of living, which is very simple and authentic and real. Yes, I have that idea in this year to offer that. Even though I don't wear makeup much, since I don't go out, all these brushes I wash with baby shampoo. So this time I just put out on the balcony because I left them in the bathroom. Even though the bathroom is open, but still it's not sufficient to make the brush 100% dry. That's another tip for you. Wash them with baby shampoo. So I use this. I've already put on my sponges. You can also leave it in the water and salt, but I want to wash them right away. been swimming a few laps. It's already 5 p.m. I came here around, I think, 4:15, 4:30. And yeah, I've been swimming every day, not many laps, just 5 laps a day, but today I did 10. So feeling good, taking advantage of the nice weather since we are still in monsoon. That's why I better take advantage of the time since the pool also is nice and blue. Because as you know already, right, sometimes it's green. And so now it's blue. It's been like, what, 5 days blue? I've been swimming every day. I have this bougainville now planted there. It's already, what, 3 months, and it's grown like this. But now the thorns can prick you. So it's a little bit of a mistake that I have this bougainville planted here, but at the same time it's charming. So now we have to find a way to tie it back up to the wall. Look at the weather is beautiful. It's lovely, nice and sunny. Oh, we picked 9 coconuts when my family came over. We had it as a dessert. And also afternoon tea time, but my niece brought nice cakes, nice cheesecakes that she made. Plenty on top of that, so we really enjoyed that day. I just put like a fiberglass so that I can see the moon. Just hack it. And I can sit down here even when it rains.